So here's a Paradox gift box tangle tutorial. So I roughed sketch a gift box with a lid, and then I drew lines in not exactly the center of the box part because it has a lid on it, but kind of in the center. Remember, these are perfectly imperfect. And I ordered them so they divided the front of this box into 4 sections. And then I drew a diagonal line in each one, and then I did paradox. Now when I did each side, I made sure to aura them so I got the fan look going into each corner. And I did this throughout the whole thing. Now when I get to the part up towards the top of the box lid, since the box lid kind of is in the way of where the paradox would flow, I act as though there's an imaginary line, and I use that imaginary line to help guide me where my lines would go. Now, all of this, I again start with gratitude, grateful for the pen, paper. What I noticed in this was the star in the center, not so much the fans. So when I decorated this, I decided to focus on the star, less on the fans. And I had to add some glitter. I used several different medias on this. So here's the gift box. Everybody have a great day.